To get started, make a slip knot. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After chaining 4, make a slip stitch in the very first chain. So insert your hook in that first chain, pull through your yarn, and then pull through the loop. So we are going to work all our stitches for the next round into this tiny space right here. To start off the next round, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We are going to place 11 double crochets in this middle space right here. So yarn over, insert your hook in that space, pull through your yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That is a double crochet. So that's 1 double crochet. You're going to insert 10 more double crochets into that space. I have a total of 12 stitches. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then when I add the beginning chain 3, I have 12 stitches. Okay? So after your last double crochet stitch, we are going to slip stitch in the third chain of the beginning chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Make a slip stitch right there. To start off the next round, skip this very first chain 3 stitch, skip the next double crochet stitch, and then we are going to work 7 treble crochets into this stitch right here. To do that, you are going to pull up a loop like so, and then yarn over 2 times. 1, 2. Skip the chain 3, skip the next stitch. Into the next stitch, you are going to yarn over, pull through. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. That is a treble crochet. We are going to work 6 extra treble crochets into that same stitch. So yarn over 2 times, insert your hook in that same stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Work 5 more treble crochets into that stitch. I have my 7 treble crochet stitches all in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, we are going to place 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook in that stitch, yarn over, pull through your yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. In the next 2 stitches, we are going to place 2 double crochets each. So 2 double crochets here and 2 double crochets here. So in the first stitch, place 2 double crochets. That's 1 and 2. In the next stitch, place 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. In the next stitch, we are going to work 2 double crochets. Place 2 double crochets in that next stitch. That's 1 and 2. And then now we are going to form the small tip at the bottom of the heart. After your 2 double crochets, you are going to pull up a loop and then go in the front loop of your last double crochet. So this is your last double crochet and this is the front loop right here, okay? So you are going to go in the front loop like so, yarn over, pull through that loop, and then pull through the other loop. There you go. And now we are going to work 2 double crochets in this same stitch. So go back to that same stitch and work 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. After that, in the next 2 stitches we are going to work 2 double crochets each. So 2 double crochets here and 2 double crochets here. Place 2 double crochets in the next stitch, place 2 double crochets in the next stitch, in the next stitch place 1 double crochet, and then in this next stitch we are going to work 7 treble crochets. Yarn over 2 times, insert your hook in the next stitch, pull through your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. That is a treble crochet. So now that we have worked 1 treble crochet, you are going to work 6 more treble crochets into that same stitch. I have worked my 7 treble crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, to finish off the round we are going to skip the last stitch right here and then make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain of the beginning chain 3 of the first round. So this is the first round and this was our beginning chain 3. So we are going to come to the chain 3 and go 1, 2, 3. In that 3rd chain make a slip stitch. There you go. After your slip stitch you are going to pull up a loop like so and then bring your hook and insert it from the back of your heart. So from the side you're going to come to the space between the last double crochet and the first chain 3 of the first round. So this is the chain 3 and this is the last double crochet, this space right here. Now you are going to insert your hook from the back of your heart. So insert your hook into that space and then you are going to hook the loop on your hook like so, then pull through, pull to tighten it, and then pull through that loop. There you go. And then chain 1 and fasten off. Then pull tight. There you go. So we have formed our heart.